From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Ryan McElligott here with your afternoon Campus Weather Service forecast. We'll start off with a live look from Beaver Stadium right now. Looking at a high of about 32, feels like 25 right now with that northwest breeze of 8 miles an hour and a dew point at 10, visibility 10 miles an hour. Partly sunny right now. It's very pleasant looking, but quite chilly. Overall, looks nice out there. Story's much the same across a lot of the Commonwealth. We're looking at temperatures at about the low 30s, maybe the high 20s in some places, and dew points of around 10 degrees. So pretty chilly, pretty dry, but for the most part, relatively pleasant and seasonable at the moment. Here's a little look at our radar and satellite from the past few hours. We were monitoring some snow squalls to our west and up in the far northeast corner of the Commonwealth, but those have largely dissipated by now. So we'll be looking at some clouds in the western half of the Commonwealth and mostly clear skies to the east. Look at the bigger picture at the moment. We are looking at South Dakota right now. There's some snow moving east. We are monitoring that for our next setup for snow in the next few days. And some of our future weather, we're looking at some clouds, perhaps a few snow squalls. As we get into Thursday, though, especially into the rush hour, you'll see we'll have a rain-snow mix moving in with this next system. This will move out overnight, though, and leaves behind just a few snow squalls into the early morning. By Friday, we'll be looking at another low-pressure system actually to our south now. We are going to expect some accumulating snow possibly into Friday and Saturday, but this moves out fairly quickly, and into the weekend we'll see some more pleasant skies and perhaps some rising temperatures. So for today, we're looking at a high of 35 at most. Generally clear skies. As we saw earlier, it's very pleasant out there, just a small breeze. For tonight, yes, it is Valentine's Day. For your date night, we're looking at about 19 degrees for a low, mostly clear right now and a slight breeze, so a little chilly. And for tomorrow, as we mentioned, that rain-snow mix will hit by the afternoon. We are looking at some clouds in the morning and a high of 40 and a slightly breezier. So for our 7-day forecast, looking at this unsettled pattern up until Saturday, Friday is a little nicer, just a bit breezy. Temperatures about the mid-40s. They actually drop a little from Thursday. Once we get past that snow on Saturday, however, we are looking at a much nicer weekend and beginning of the work week. As we get into Sunday, it's very bright and seasonable. Temps will be in about the mid-40s, the high 30s and the low 40s. That will increase as we get into the work week, and we should see a very pleasant week coming up ahead. That's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon.